Moving on now, in a big win for India, the Covaxin, the results of the phase 3 trials have been published and peer-reviewed in top science journal, The Lancet. Now, the journal mentions it is only the vaccine that has efficacy over 65% against the highly transmissible Delta variant. The vaccine also shows an efficacy of nearly 77.8% against symptomatic COVID-19 people. Let me straight away go across to Samiksha, who's joining us live from the Mumbai newsroom. Samiksha, we're looking at back-to-back updates that are coming across, especially when it comes to Bharat Biotech's Covaxin, WHO, which has already granted the emergency approval. And from the 22nd of November, travelers to the UK will also no longer be needed to isolate themselves. So what are the updates that have been posted in The Lancet?
Well, as you rightly mentioned, Amita, this study comes just a week after the WHO granted emergency authorization to Covaxin. So let me just take you through the highlights of this study that has been put out. It says that there is an efficacy of 77.8% against symptomatic COVID cases, and efficacy of 93.4% against severe asymptomatic COVID cases. Efficacy against asymptomatic COVID cases is found to be 63.6%, and against the Delta variant, it's found to be effective to have an efficacy of 65.2%. Now remember, 65.2% efficacy is something which no COVID vaccine has had so far. So this is a very significant achievement of sorts to say, because no vaccine has showed an efficacy of over 65% against the Delta variant, which the cases of Delta variant we've seen, of course, there's been a rise in Delta variant cases, and this is something which is, definitely an egg on the face of all those critics who doubted the efficacy of Covaxin. In fact, the other details that I'd like to mention here is that the Lancet study also categorically states that this vaccine, it induces robust antibody response. No severe adverse events also have been reported in case of Covaxin. Now remember, when the clinical trials of many of the vaccines happened, there have been adverse events been reported. In fact, there have been deaths also that have been reported when it comes to the adverse events. But this vaccine, particularly the indigenous Covaxin, has not reported any adverse events so far. In fact, now the study also says that it is in line with the company's earlier announcements. Remember, just a few days ago, Ella also said in a press conference that there's been a delay in the approval by the WHO, primarily because there were a lot of critics who doubted the efficacy of Covaxin. And now with this study that has been put out in this medical journal, that brings a full stop, puts a full stop, beg your pardon, to all those who doubted the effectiveness of Covaxin. Back to you.
Samiksha, thanks very much for the update. So no severe vaccine-related deaths or adverse events were recorded during the randomized trials as well when it was taking place. And this is coming across as a huge improvement. And also what is being said for Bharat Biotech's indigenously developed Covaxin. Moving on.